Today we are going to see the activity how to add 3-digit numbers with regrouping by using biscuits. Before that we have to know that 10 ones equal to 110 and 10 tens equal to 100. Let us see how to do this activity. Let us represent ones with Monaco biscuit, tens with Parle-G biscuit and hundreds with Mary biscuit. Add 257 plus 364. Here the first number is 257. There are 2 hundreds, 5 tens and 7 ones. Now place 7 Monaco biscuit in ones column. Here 5 tens are there. So now place 5 Parle-G biscuit in tens column. Place 2 Mary biscuit in hundreds column. Here the second number is 364. In 364 there are 3 hundreds, 6 tens and 4 ones. Now place 4 Monaco biscuit in ones column. There are 6 tens in 364. So place 6 Parle-G biscuit in tens column. Or 3 hundreds in 364. So place 3 Mary biscuit in hundreds column. Now let us count how many ones are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 ones are there. We know that 11 ones is equal to 1 tens plus 1 ones. 10 ones equal to 1 ten. So I am taking 10 ones. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This 10 ones make 110. So I am placing this 110 in the tens column. How many left over here in the ones column? Only 1. Now write 1 here. Now let's count how many tens are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 tens. 12 tens is nothing but 10 tens plus 2 tens. We know that 10 tens is equal to 100. So I am taking 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This 10 makes 100. I am placing 100 in the hundreds column. How many tens are left over there? 1, 2. So write 2 in the tens column. Now count how many hundreds are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 hundreds. So the answer is 621.